Nokia 6230 disassembly. You need SRT 6 and 9, a Torx Plus driver size 6, and metal tweezers. Be sure to be connected to your ESD wristband. Check optical condition of window and LCD. Turn around the unit and remove B cover. Release A cover from top side first. Take SRT 6 and open the snaps on both sides in lower section of A cover. Do not twist, but lever SRT 6 to avoid damages at the covers. Now A cover can be removed. Release key mat on upper side and move it to the left. Also protect inner side of the window to avoid dust and scratches. Unscrew the 6 Torx Plus screws in the following order. This is important to avoid mechanical stress of the components, which could lead to malfunctions of the unit. Remove screws with tweezers if necessary. Take away C cover assembly. Carefully unlock UI board from the lower side and remove it. Remove metal frame. Protect LCD with a film. Be very careful not to damage surrounding components when opening the LCD connector with SRT 6. Remove LCD. Take away engine module. Use C cover as base when removing the camera. This prevents bending the spring contacts. Take disassembly side of SRT 9, put it onto the camera and pull it up. Removal of DC jack, microphone, and vibromotor goes easily. Unlock power key and remove it. Remove volume key with tweezers. Open antenna clips with SRT 6 and pull away antenna to the right. Tip over D cover to let the speaker drop out. Press out infrared window from the right side to remove it. Now the unit is completely disassembled.